I want to show you this water cleaning gun that I got, this cordless. Runs on a 20-volt battery, has lots of power, has various settings for different size sprays. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And one thing is, it uses water from a tank or a bucket, something like that. So I just use this tank, has a filter on the end, and dunk it in there, and then I'm ready to go. It also has an extension where you can put a foamer on there for when you're washing your car, so you can foam it all down. You know, at home, maybe this would be good for home, but it's really great for when you're outdoors. Say we go dirt bike riding a lot, and we want to wash down our bikes. Sometimes they get really muddy. So this is perfect for that because it uses the battery from the battery, energy from the battery, and water from a tank. And see, you just pick it up and spray it. What I can do here at home is spray off the cobwebs. Let me put a more powerful spray on there. It's kind of hard when I'm talking on this, when I'm spraying too, so just bear with me. I guess you can get the idea. It's really good for cleaning off spider webs and bugs and dirt from the side of your house and stuff. But you can see it's also good for washing your car. Like I said, there's several different settings which are difficult to show with holding the camera. But I can just put it on. I can just put on watering too. I wanted to water some plants. I guess I could do that too. You know, though, this is not so powerful that they should, you know, it's going to remove big stains from the sidewalk. It has a hose. The hose is like 15-20 feet long. I'm not exactly sure. But let me show you. Let me put it on the most powerful setting too. Here's the 15-degree setting. You know, it does all right for dirt and stuff. But it's not going to hurt you. It is pretty handy. You know, the spray isn't strong enough to hurt you, so, you know, because of that, I don't think it's strong enough really to remove any, like, oil stains or anything like that. But it does work great, and I really like it, and it's portable, and it's going to do me wonders when I'm out dirt bike riding or out of doors and I need to clean off the camper or something like that, and I highly recommend it for that reason.
Alright, so here's the gun. You gotta have one of these though. I have this Dewalt. I just took it off my Dewalt Impact that I have, driver set. But you need a Dewalt battery to run this. I almost didn't see it when I was ordering, but it has this little screen. Shows you buff. Comes with these things. A couple attachments, a hose, a pipe, and thing for washing your car. So not bad. It's like a shower thing. I'm gonna go wash my car now with this and see how it goes.
so it's in water. Let's make sure that's good and set in there. And I'm on the highest setting right now, and that's the most it's giving me. And when I first opened it out of the box, it was immediate. Oh, it's on 1 now. Let's see. Let's get up to 3. Yeah, that's the most it'll do. That's nothing.